Hey, good day, Grayson from DiTEC Marine down here in Florida. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration of our Teak Magic 1 and 2 versus the two leading competitors in the two-part cleaning process. After using this product many times on board and the devastating effect I've seen have on metals, paint surfaces and also the destruction of teak, we're excited to show you our new Teak Magic Part 1 and 2 and how it gives you the same, if not better, finish than the leading two-part systems on board.
In this video, we're on board a Prestige 550, comparing the performance of our Teak Magic 1 and 2 against two leading competitors. We'll scrub the teak swim platform on this Prestige 550 and clean the center section of the platform using DiTEC's Teak Magic. I let each product's part 1 and 2 dwell on the surface for 3 minutes before scrubbing using a medium scrub brush with medium pressure. You can see that I made sure to use a consistent cleaning procedure for all three products to provide accurate and unbiased results. Teak Magic is mixed 1:4, meaning 1 gallon of product will give you a total of 5 usable gallons of product. You'll get 2.5 times more coverage with Teak Magic than these other products. The two leading competitors are mixed 1:1, meaning 1 part product will give you 2 gallons of usable product. As a former captain with over a decade of industry experience, I've had my fair share of scrubbing teak and using many different products on the market. I've seen firsthand the damaging effects these other products can have on your teak surfaces, and they force you to sand your teak on an annual basis. These products can also burn your skin and your stainless. It can also be a hassle to get rid of that sticky residue after you've done scrubbing. Not to mention, you're also rinsing hazardous phosphates and acids back into our waterways when using these other products. With Teak Magic, you're rinsing a non-hazardous, eco-safe, MARPL-compliant product back into our waterways.
Now that we've finished scrubbing the teak with the 3 different products on board, let's go through the different results that we found and some comparisons. As we can see, there's some pretty noticeable differences as we go through it. Coming over here to one of the leading brands on the market, again, it did a good job, did what it needed to do, and we can see there is some graying and some blotchiness that has come through on board here, but unfortunately just not getting the same results that we see from our Teak Magic on board this boat. Now moving to the center where we used our Teak Magic Part 1 and 2, over here we're seeing a much nicer, even coating. The product did 80% of the work for us, allowing for all that dirt and contaminants to get lifted off the surface, giving us this nice golden rich color on board the boat. And again, once we rinsed off these products into the waterways, we found that with the competitors that the phosphates in them were releasing large amounts of almost algae plumes, where our product being eco-safe, non-hazardous, and safe to rinse in the waterways had none of the effects of the other ones that we tested out today.
Now that you've seen the video, you can see you can achieve better results using Teak Magic's 1 and 2
versus the two leading competitors.
It is destroying your teak, forcing you to sand it annually, burning your clothes, your skin. It is scarring and burning your stainless, forcing you to polish and re-detail your boat after. You're spending a whole day washing, removing that sticky residue off the painted surfaces. And most importantly, you're rinsing hazardous, harmful chemicals into our waterways. With Teak Magic, you're rinsing a non-hazardous, eco-safe, MARPL-compliant product back in our waterways. Now, you can achieve better results using Teak Magic 1 and 2. It is your answer